Any questions on slow, one attack, one defend?
Where your hand is in space, you just go horizontal, straight forward.
Everything goes directly through there, yeah. So wherever, Marcus, I'll borrow you. Wherever your arm is in space, everything, so let's just say my hand happens to be in this position, right? This goes directly there, this goes directly there, this goes directly there. So everything's like a triangular prism from the whole body. Yeah? Okay. Marcus brought up an interesting thing as well. Just because you've heard this a lot doesn't mean you know it. And I learned that lesson late, and I still read Qigong's books every year to review it, and I'm like, holy shit. Like, what? Really? Relax? No way. No, but I'm actually serious. Always come to any type of environment with think to yourself, I don't know this, you know? What can I learn from this? Or when someone else is talking, think, how does this apply to me? Because as soon as your cup's full, you stop learning. And our job as coaches is to keep evolving. Wing Chun means everlasting spring, right? Which means to continually evolve and learn. So yeah, don't get in your head that you know it already, because then you'll block the entry. You'll just be like, I already know this. So you won't take in new information. So another good way to approach things is to always put what is in front of it. So for example, like sinking energy, what is sinking? So I still ask myself that question regularly, like, what is sinking? Because there might be more levels and layers to it which I'm unaware of yet. What is my spiritual intention? What is sensing? What is seeing? Yeah? Because there's levels to this shit, as I'm sure you all have observed. All right, so now, now alternating attacking and defending, but now you're just doing it faster. So just go at whatever fucking pace you want. But we do want a more upbeat pace. So one person attack, one person defend. So Marcus can go on the attack and I just maintain my defense, yeah? I maintain my Luk Sao and Chi Sao defense as he comes through to attack. He can play around with whatever attacks he wants. He can do his traps, he can do just strikes, he can do whatever he pleases. But the objective is now you want to be conscious of maintaining state during it, yeah? You're trying to keep the state on as you do it, yeah? Then he goes into defense and then I go into attack. So you're trying to feel that you're literally doing, you're doing the state training and the form training here. It's not like all this, okay, it's fast now. And you tense up and you throw it all out the door. You want to feel like you're here. You want to feel like you're here, yeah? It's the same condition. It's not that you're training a different condition for different settings, you know? You're trying to become the state. Like Qigong would say, I am Silam Tao. Yeah? Not I am Silam Tao, I am frantic, I am sparring. Just I am Silam Tao.